Attention! This is a national emergency alert regarding the mourners outbreak in New York City. The New York City Council, on April 8, 2029 at 10:37 a.m. EACT, has issued a warning about a significant increase in the number of mourners present in the city. The mourner's disease is caused by the Agonia cerebri parasite and has reached phase 2, making infected individuals highly contagious and dangerous. The Council has authorized the use of lethal force against infected individuals, and termination of those infected with phase 2 is legal. Residents are urged to remain inside their homes unless it is absolutely necessary to go outside. Avoid crowded areas and contact with others, as the parasite is highly contagious. Obey the curfew hours. Violating the curfew could result in fines or other legal consequences, so please take it seriously and obey the curfew hours for your own safety and the safety of others.
Civil danger for the entire northeastern and mid-Atlantic regions of the United States. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The rabbits hoogos that were attacking the state of Massachusetts has spreaded it to more states. These states include New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Rhode Island, Virginia, West Virginia, Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and District of Columbia. These creatures are attacking the human race. It is expected that they will spread across the entire country in the next several hours. As a precaution, all residents of these states are strongly advised to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building with all doors and windows locked as possible. Take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio for your station in a shelter. Do not approach these creatures, as they are extremely dangerous. They will devour any human being on sight. Tune into local media for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is the activation of the emergency broadcast system. The President of the United States or his designated representatives will appear shortly over the emergency broadcast system.
Unidentified objects have invaded the moon, causing the red glow. People are believing. Of the United States government, the rabbits, along with the demons, the red-eyed rabbit, the skeletons, and a giant red-eyed rabbit, has crossed the central United States, and the rabbit army has already started to invade the western United States and the parts of Mexico, Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico have been reported an invasion from these these rabbits and its armies. Anybody in Idaho, Oregon, New Mexico, and Texas are being advised to evacuate immediately, and much of western United States is reporting riots in major cities. Los Angeles, California, Seattle, Washington, San Jose, California, Phoenix, Arizona, Las Vegas, Nevada, Reno, Nevada, and El Paso, Texas. Martial law will be imposed for the following states: Utah, Montana, North Dakota, Wyoming, Colorado, Oklahoma, California, Texas, Nevada, Arizona, and Washington. Anyone who violates these laws will be met with full force, and this law should be taken seriously. There are numerous reports that the rabbits, along with the rabbits army, is now invading the majority of Mexico and Alaska's terrible events. If you want any chance of survival, you must evacuate or seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. Everyone in the United States, we have some bad news. The bad news is, our country has collapsed at approximately 9 p.m. Eastern Time. The situation with the rabbits and the rabbit army is now spread across the globe. 7 continents have been reported an attack from the rabbit army. Everyone across the globe is in extreme danger right now. Everyone strongly advised to seek underground shelter now. Today was a good day before sadly these rabbits appeared and started to cause mass destruction to life and property. The death toll is at millions, and it expected to be in the billions. In a few hours, the rabbits and the giant rabbit has caused the sun to end and making it into a red star. The red star is completely dangerous, and once you expose to the red star light, and you will be automatically melted and fainted. Our demise is nearing. All citizens across the world are being advised to gather your friends and family, pets and others, and brace for the end. Do not let children know about the event in any way. The station will go on the air forever. We will go on forever. Few countries have collapsed and will soon to follow. This is Steven, signing off for the final time.